Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling screen time and creating a PIN so settings stick. Once screen time is active, go to App Limits and Downtime. This lets you control when apps can use the network. Make sure you know the exact app name. Next, set a downtime schedule for all apps except those you need always available. This forces restrictive behavior during the chosen period. This first step secures control and prepares the device for the more detailed app-level restrictions you'll apply next. Now you'll apply specific limits so the app cannot maintain Wi-Fi connections. Add the target app to app limits and set a minimal daily allowance. 1 minute works, so it's effectively blocked during most of the day. Then, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Background App Refresh and turn it off for that app. This prevents background network use. Finally, enable content and privacy restrictions to lock these settings with your screen time passcode. That ensures the app cannot re-enable its network privileges without your permission. Finish by verifying behavior. Connect to Wi-Fi and try the app during restricted hours. It should be effectively offline or severely limited. If the app still reaches the internet, reboot the iPhone, confirm background app refresh remains off, and ensure the app limit is active and set to 1 minute. Make sure no device management profiles or VPNs are overriding restrictions. If problems persist, reset screen time settings and reapply the passcode to prevent the app or a user from changing limits without authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.